Very energetic yung audience natin. Ulitin natin, good morning! Okay, sige. May dalawa lang akong request before I start my sharing with you. First of all is, ang ganda ng message ni Cow Team kanina, no, ni Boss Team kanina. Diba, the choice, the chance, and the change. Tama ba? Very powerful. Can I request everyone, palakpakan naman natin yung message na yun. If somehow, those message talagang nag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Number 2 is, can I also ask you, no? Sa gagawin natin ngayong araw na to, pwede ba nating palakpakan yung mga nag-invite sa inyo, yung mga agency leaders natin, advisors natin, who were able to invite you here. Okay? Kasi, in my portion right now, what I will share with you is an information that's very important sa inyong decision ngayong araw na to. Okay? I wanna make sure that the event that we have today will make your time worthwhile. Okay ba yun? Okay? And then today, alam ko po kanina nung pumapasok kayo dito sa sinihan, tinitignan ko ang bawat face ninyo, may malaking question mark sa inyo. Diba? Ano yung question mark na yun? Bakit ako nandito? Tama ba? Kasi itong nag-invite sa aking leader na kaibigan ko, 1 taong ko nang sinasabihang hindi ako pwede. Diba? Talagang tinataguan ko na siya. Sinabi ko na nga, patay na ako eh. Diba? But still, they are very talagang persistent to invite me on this event. Let me share with you, what you feel right now when you're entering this venue is pretty much normal. Okay? Most of the people, even I, when I explore this industry, I have doubts. Tama? Meron akong takot. Meron akong fear. Paglabas ko ba dito, papipirmahin na ako. Paglabas ko ba dito, financial advisor na ako or life planner na ako? Right? Right now, we will not ask for your yes or no. But this morning, dun sa sinabi ni Tim kanina, di ba? Choice. Very important is choice. This morning, I'll be sharing with you information that will give you an informed decision or an informed choice. Pwede ba yun? Okay ba yun? Fair ba yun? Diba? Kasi ang very important, before I say yes or no, dapat may information muna. Correct? And that's the portion that I'll be sharing with you today. Okay? Number 2, yung sinabi niya, chance. Diba? When you say chance, ano ba to? Sugal? Right? Because ang sugal is chance. Right? But right now, hindi tayo magsusugal. Okay? I'm gonna give you again information so that when you decide to join AIA Philippines, you have a bigger chance of being successful. So that the change that you're looking at is something that you are expecting. Okay ba yun? Okay ba? Okay, simulan natin yung journey. Number 1, when you're looking for a partner, diba? Kung titingin ka ng partner sa pagninegosyo, very important is the brand name. Tama ba? Lahat tayo very, kumbaga talagang, oy, yung bag nyo, diba? Louis Vuitton. Sapatos niya. Diba? Tinitignan natin yung mga brand name. Bakit kaya? Because the brand name will tell you quality of the product. Correct? What I'm going to share with you is a brand name, AIA, not just because of the name. Not just because we were former Film Life, which is known in the industry or known in the Philippines. AIA is known in Asia. It's not just about the brand name. But basically, statistics na very important that matters most pag magtatayo ka ng negosyo. Tama ba? Now, if you look at the screen, when it comes to the statistics, makikita ninyo na andyan po siya. Bakit, Orwin, importante yan? Yung pinagkasasabi nating asset, net income, net worth ng company. Why is it important? Because those statistics will give you the confidence that what your business is strong. Diba? Kung ano yung ipapangako mo sa kliyente mo, naka-back up yung kumpanya para tuparin yun. Tama ba? So, you have your own confidence that you're part of a bigger company, a strong company financially, and then also your client na kakausapin mo is also confident to deal with you because you're part of that group. Correct? That's very important. Sabi nga nila, pag naghanap ka ng boyfriend, ang dami-dami mong listahan para tignan yung good qualities niya, right? Right now, same goes with your partner. When you're exploring this industry, very important, you look at this one. Sino ba yung papartneran kong kumpanya? And I'm telling you, we're one of the insurance company that can, confidently tell you that you are partnering to one of the strongest insurance company in the Philippines. Diba? So again, dun sa choice and sa chance nyo, if you join an insurance company that has these statistics, then I think, medyo yung chance mo may laban. Right? O sige, Orwin, okay yung brand natin. I believe you that you even have a blueprint to make every advisor successful. Right? Paano yan? Wala akong alam sa insurance industry nyo eh. Diba? Bankero ako, engineer ako, and so on and so forth. Right? Don't worry, because the next story that I'll be sharing with you is we'll be providing you a training. Not just training, but basically, these are accredited training to make sure that you'll be learning knowledge and skills. Okay? We go further pa nga with our learning eh. Aside from our classroom learning that is available in every location that we have, kung gusto nyong mag-continuous learning, diba? Kasi alam nyo, nagsimula ako sa insurance company ito. Pag may training, iintayin ko pa yung schedule kung kailan. Alam yun? Hintayin ko pa. For example, gusto ko yung training na yun. Gusto ko matutunan yung training na yun. Right? So I have to wait. When will be that training? So mag-i-enroll pa ako. Right now, AIA Philippines, ginawa natin yung learning management system natin. The learning management system is anywhere ka, nasa Pilipinas ka, nag-travel ka sa isang ibang bansa, one of the financial advisor or life planner that I knew, alam mo yung traffic sa Manila? Di ba, pang Makati to Quezon City, abutin ka ng 2 to 3 hours. Mga nakatatlo or 4 na training na siya doing the travel. Di ba? Kasi very mobile yung training natin kung gusto nyo siyang matutunan. It's number 1. Number 3 is, alam nyo ba yung mga nag-invite sa inyo? They will have a very important role in terms of your progress in this business. Diba? The peer learning. Alam nyo, pag nagnegosyo kayo, di ba may sinasabi sila pag restaurant, may secret sauce? And yung secret sauce na yun, ayaw ituro sa inyo. Right? Dito sa industry namin, baliktad. Okay? When you join our company, tumayo ka sa lobby ng building namin at lahat ng financial advisor or life planner na makikita nyo, tanungin nyo paano sila naging successful. Hahatak ng upuan niya at ikikwento niya yung buhay niya, nagsimula siya hanggang ngayon. Kung 30 years yan, kulang yung isang araw nyo. What do I mean? Diba? We're very generous in sharing information. We're very generous to sharing with you the experiences that we had so other people will also be successful. Right? So, ganun yung industriya when it comes of equipping you with the right skills and with the right knowledge. Okay ba yun? So natakil ko na. Sabi natin, information. So, you're joining a good company and we will make sure, right, anong training, anong skills, anong knowledge yung kakailanganin nyo so that pag nilagyan kayo ng title na Life Planner, which is already on your chest right now. Alam nyo, napakalaking responsibilidad once you start doing your role as a life planner. Tama ba? Kasi you're already planning for the life of your client. Alam nyo, yung role na yan, isang bagay na sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako. Because when something happened to your loved ones, while everyone is taking away money from you, you as a life planner is the only one giving money to those people who are in need. Kaya very important yung training ninyo and skills and knowledge development ninyo. That's the responsibility. That's the beauty of the career that we are offering. Okay? Number 3. Tignan natin yung number 3. Ano ba yung number 3? Very important, you have a very interesting, attractive, and competitive product. Hindi po ako magpa-product training ngayong umaga sa inyo because we have a training for that. But what I will share with you is, to be honest with you, is hindi po kami nagbebenta ng product. buying product from us is basically an end result of the services that we're offering to our client. Ang product ng AIA Philippines is not the insurance product. It's part, but basically, you guys is our product. If you give your services, if you give your educating clients, that's the biggest product. Tama ba? Diba? When you give that service to your potential client, telling them, giving them suggestion, what are the products that is needed for you to make sure that your future will be future-proof. Yun ang trabaho natin. To educate them the importance of life insurance. Correct? So, ang product natin is every life stages of our client, meron po tayo nun. Okay? Sabi nga natin, from protection, to savings, to health, even for retirement, even for estate planning, it's there. Okay? Hindi nyo na po iisipin yun because the company will be the one to create products for you so that you will be relevant to your clients. Tama? So, agad ng partnership. We will equip you with the skills and knowledge and also the company will be providing you products that is relevant to your future client. Okay ba yun? Okay, so tatlo na yung value proposition na sinishare ko sa inyo right now. Interesting ba? Parang tatlo na lang yung kausap ko. Di ba? Okay? So, ulitin natin. Interesting ba yung sinishare ko? Yes! Okay. So, hindi tayo titigil sa company, okay, sa training, sa product. Even, the company also prepared you for a platform, technology. Right? That's the fourth proposition. Alam nyo, yung generation ngayon of life planner, ang swerte ninyo. Kasi when I started in this career, lahat ng ginagawa ko puro paper. Diba? Paper application, ang dami-daming fini-fill outan ng client. Sa sobrang dami na fini-fill outan ng client, kapag naggagawa ako ng pagbibenta or sales presentation ko, pumirma na yung kliyente, nakalimutan ko yung bayad. Diba? Kasi ang haba ng application eh. Diba? Babalik ako sa office, ako nakalimutan ko yung payment. I have to go back. But to be honest, that experience is one of the reasons why we created technology. The next gen IPOS. Alam nyo, lahat ng kailangan ninyo pagdating sa application is already on the platform. Yung application, digital na lang yan. Okay, so, ano na lang sila, tatype na lang, anong pangalan mo, lahat, ganyan. Even submission and payment, di ba dati kailangan ko pang bumalik from Quezon City to Makati just to submit my application. Ngayon, hindi. Di ba? Kailangan mo lang yung internet access mo when you're submitting the application. Di mo na kailangang pumunta sa head office ulit so that you can continue talking to client. Diba? So, pinag-iisipan namin, paano pa kaya namin gagawing advance to? Diba? Gusto namin lagyan ng ECG yan, X-ray, para doon na lahat pag minimedical yung client, right? No? Blood test, lagay na natin lahat dyan. But, what I'm trying to share with you is, the company is not stopping ourselves or hindi tayo tumitigil ng pag-explore ng opportunity to make the platform very useful for you and also to your clients. Tama ba? Right? So, ibig sabihin, kung ako pala magtatayo ng isa kong kumpanya, ang dami ko pala kailangan gawin. But right now, when you partner to AIA Philippines, all of those things are already available. Tama ba? Di ba? Pag join mo, strong company, may training, may product, may technology. Okay? Interesting? Yes. Alam nyo sa portion na to, sa last proposition ko, right? Sa last proposition ko, nakikita ko na yung face nyo eh. Warwin, ang dami mong sinasabi. Okay naman yan. Let's talk about income. Tama ba? Bottom line naman. How about the income? Paano ba ako kikita dyan? Right? Pagkasali ba ako sa inyo? Di ba? Kikita na ba ako? Diba? Now, let me share with you that there are 3 things for you to be able to earn on this business. Okay? Ano yung tatlong bagay na yun? Educate, expand, and also empower you to lead your team. Okay? Let's talk about educate. Or bakit educate? Diba selling? Alam niyo, sabi ko nga eh, no? Ang selling kasi is kumbaga selling and then buying is an end result. Right? Kung naghahanap ka ng benta, pag ikaw ay salesperson, naghahanap ka ng benta sa labas, mahihirapan ka. But, if you try to go out and educate people about the services, selling will follow. Tama ba? Diba? Kasi itong product na to is basically needs to educate your client. Tama?
Sarap yung sarap.
Siya. So, tignan natin, ano itsura? Let's talk about education and sales. Ano ba kailangan kong gawin? Simple lang. Mathematically, pag bago ka sa sales, any sales, sabi nila 10% closing ratio. Tama ba? So, gawin natin. Orwin, kaya nga ako magbi-business eh. Ayoko nung hanggang Sabado at Linggo, nagtatrabaho ko. Okay, let's follow that. 5 days in a week ka magtatrabaho, just talk to 2 clients. Every day, yun lang trabaho mo. Talk to 2 clients. Right? So, anong mangyayari? Diba? Magkakaroon ka, di pa lumalabas. Okay, so magkakaroon ka ng, 10 clients in a week. And a 10% closing ratio, isa doon mako-close mo. Tama ba? Sa loob ng isang linggo? Right? Okay? Let's say, yung willing yung kliyente, kasi hindi naman tayo nagde-dictate neto, di ba? Yung client. Di ba yung client ba kayang magbayad? So let's say on the average of our new advisor, mga around 50,000 pesos, yung willing yung isang tao i-set aside para sa protection niya, sa savings niya, sa health niya, or retirement niya. Right? So, if you're going to look at this, every client pala na mga close ko at 50,000, I could earn as much as 30% on the average in terms of commission in a week. Tama? Pag ginawa ko ng paulit-ulit to, right? Gagawin ko ng paulit-ulit to, pero let's say nagpahinga lang ako ng isang linggo or nakakadalawa na ako, papahinga ako ng 3rd week. Right? So let's say wala kang ginawa ng 3rd week and then 4th week, inulit mo uli siya. So the formula is very easy. Diba? Talk to people, offer your services, and then if they avail your services, then this is the income that you can get. Now, in a month, how much yan? That's 45,000. And if you do it in 1 year, you can potentially earn around 540,000 pesos in a year. Right? Straightforward computation. Diba? Wala pa yung bonuses na dyan and travel incentive. Right? Orwin, taon-taon na lang ba gagawin ko yan? How about gusto ko, okay sa akin yung 540 na yan. Next year, gusto kong mag-increase yung income ko. The following year, gusto kong mag-increase yung income ko. Now, let me share with you the snowball effect of this business. Kasi, di ba kaya nga services yung sinasabi ko eh. Kasi yung kliyenteng bumili sa iyo ngayon, next year magbabayad uli yan, di ba? And you having services dito sa tao na to, kukolect mo yan, sisiguraduhin mong active yung policy niyan, diba? You'll also earn what we call renewal commission. Right? Subsequent commission. So, tignan nyo, yung 540 ko, sa year 2, pwede kong kumita as much as 270,000 when it comes pag nagbayad yung client ko. Eh, December, 2nd year, gagawa ka rin ng 540, diba? Yung formula mo, itutuloy mo lang siya. Look at what will happen in the 3rd year. Diba? Pagdating ng 3rd year, meron ka ng snowball effect. Right? From 540,000 on your first year, on your 2nd year, nag-810,000 siya. And then on your 4th year, it will be 945,000. So this is what I'm saying, that when you look at the business, kailangan tignan nyo yung sustainability and growth of your business. And this formula was really created para sa inyo. Diba? So when you do that, yung task nyo is just yun lang naman gagawin mo, ulit-ulit lang siya eh. But, your income is growing. And then on top of this one, we have a lot of incentive, bonuses, di ba? Ngayong araw lang po, kakarating lang, no? Yung iba sa atin dito, nanggaling pa lang sa travel, madaling araw dumating. So, we had our campaign last December, and then yung iba, dumating kagabi, galing sa Hong Kong natin, coming from our headquarters. Right? All expenses paid. No, yung airfare mo, hotel mo, yung activities mo doon, 'di ba? Hindi lang kasama yung shopping. Okay? Hindi lang kasama yung shopping kasi kumita ka naman eh. So sa'yo naman na yung yung pang-shopping mo. Okay? Now, it doesn't stop with this one. This is just the first portion. Right? Like what Robert Kiyosaki is saying, when you're doing this business, it's like self-employed ka pa niyan eh. Di ba? Kailangan mong gawin yung activity. But you want to transfer to becoming a business person. Paano mo gagawin yon? So, ang next income mo, sinasabi natin is expansion. Makaka-encounter kayo in your life, when you're successful, makikita ninyo, may mga kaibigan kayo, kamag-anak kayo, tatanungin kayo, di ba? Sasabihin sa inyo, ang ganda ng trabaho mo, galing ka ng Hong Kong, galing ka ng ganito, ano bang ginagawa mo ngayon? Right? Nagtitinda ng drugs. Hindi naman, di ba? Parang, di ba? They will ask you, what is your business? They will be very curious, and some of them will ask you, can I join your business? Into some other business, sasabihin, ayoko kitang kasal, magiging kompetensya pa kita. Tama? But while you are a life planner, and some of your friends, some of your clients, kaibigan, kaklase, lahat, right, would like to join you, it's fine. Pasalihin mo sila. Those people who invited you here are willing to help you. So, nag-refer ka na sa kanila, na-refer mo sila sa manager mo magmamanage sa kanila, di ba? And you will earn passive income from that. Okay? Kikita ka ng override dun sa kanila. Kasi isi-share ng leader yung income niya sa inyo. Di ba? Orwin, ganun na lang ba yun? Gusto ko magtayo ng sariling team eh. Which is technically your third income. Yun na, papunta ka na sa business. While you're doing your life planner, nagre-refer ka sa unit manager mo, yung unit manager mo, binibuild yung team mo, by the time you're ready, ibabalik ng unit manager mo sa'yo yung mga nirefer mo. So by that time, you will start to build your own unit. Orwin, ano ba ang itsura ng kitaan pagdating sa unit manager? Tingnan natin. Okay, if ikaw ay unit manager, dahil, di ba, alam mo na yung skills, alam mo na yung knowledge, may formula ka na bakit ka kumikita ng 540,000. Tignan nyo, kung meron kang mga advisor, let's say may 6 kang advisor, that technically, hindi naman lahat magpa-540, iba-iba yung income nila, may 220, may mataas, and all of those things. Right? How much income are you going to earn if you would be able to transfer the technology or the same system to the new advisor? Ito yung makikita ninyo. That's the override income that you can get in a year. In totality, in 1 year, you can earn as much as 1.1 million. So isipin ninyo yung negosyo na parang McDonald's. Yung McDonald's, nagtayo siya ng isang branch niya, tama? Right? Na perfect na yung system, na perfect na yung product niya. Diba, this time, ino-offer niya na yung business opportunity na yun to other people. Right? Kasi in reality, we have about 115 million Filipinos. At kahit gaano ka kagaling financial advisor, hindi mo kayang kausapin lahat. Tama? So, what you need is to look for partners so that you'll be available on different location and maximize the full potential of the business. Tama ba? Interesting? Right? So, it's not just about income, but even on your career progression. Okay? Sabi nga kanina ni Boss Team, di ba? Ikaw, Team. Nung gumawa siya ng choice, right? He takes his chances. What's in it for you? So, for the choice and chances that you're going to take right now, it doesn't just end with income. A lot of people I see who join this business, sa simula nila, gusto ko income. Gusto ko malaki ang income. But you know, itong mga position na to, from life planner to unit manager to agency manager, alam niyo may kwento yan. From an income-oriented person to a business person into a legacy person. A lot of people I've seen here who became agency managers, who has their business 30, 50, 60 years, after that, di na income tinitignan nila eh. Hindi na organization. Tinitignan nila is legacy building. Gusto nyo ba yun? Di ba? Parang saang career yung pwedeng ganon? That everything that will happen to me is within my control. Be a good life planner, build your own team, and eventually build your own empire. Okay? Gusto nyo ba yun? Gising pa ba kayo? Nai-excite ba kayo? Okay, sige. Pwede ba nating palakpakan yung career? Okay, so anyway, just to summarize my portion, the value proposition that I'm sharing to you right now is basically yun. Join a company that has a strong brand with underlying things that matters the most when I build my business. A company who's willing to train us, not just technical, but even those people na nag-imbita sa inyo, magiging partner, are willing also to teach you of the business. Number 3, products that's very relevant in the market, that's competitive in the market, that will help you attract people to avail your services. Platform technologies and all of those initiatives is also available for you. And lastly, diba, sabi nga natin kung income ang titignan mo, okay, don't look at addressing your needs. Diba, sabi natin kasi minsan, kaya ka nagtatrabaho para i-address yung needs mo. Needs is very easy. Ano ba yung mga needs normal needs ng isang tao? Food. Yung iba sabi, absent ako nun, diniscuss ko. Di ba? May mga basic needs, and those basic needs are easy to address. But what we're trying to tell you right now, what we are offering you right now, is to address the wants of your family. Pag yung anak mo lumapit sa'yo, I want to go to Disneyland, Hong Kong. Di ba? Yung alam mo, sige, gagawin natin yan. Pagtatrabuhan ko. Because your income and your progress in this career is within your control. And this morning, my friends, yun po yung shinare ko sa inyo. And I hope those information can help you make your choice, have higher chances to be successful. And at the end of the day, the change that you're aspiring will be in reality. So with that, maraming salamat. Good morning, everyone.
All right, thank you very